The guideline mandates MDAs to submit their full-year monthly expenditure plans to both the Budget Office of the Federation and the Office of the Accountant General of the Federation by July 31st, 2025. These plans must reflect GPS data for capital projects meeting the specified threshold. The Director General of the Budget Office is expected to approve each expenditure plan to ensure it aligns with the Appropriation Act and the federal government's priorities. Additionally, monthly cash releases to MDAs will be based on submitted expenditure plans, and a consolidated cash plan will be prepared by the Office of the Accountant General of the Federation in compliance with the Fiscal Responsibility Act 2007. The Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy will authorize the final cash plan. This measure reinforces the government's commitment to traceability, fiscal discipline, and improved monitoring of large-scale public projects. Labor unions, including the Nigerian Labour Congress, Trade Union Congress, and the National Union of Electricity Employees, have rejected a proposed amendment to the Electricity Act that seeks to ban industrial actions in the power sector. The proposed Electricity Act Amendment Bill 2025, currently before the National Assembly, designates electricity generation, transmission, and distribution as essential services. This categorization would restrict the right of power sector workers to engage in strikes or picketing without a formally negotiated minimum service agreement. Labor leaders argue that the proposed legislation violates International Labour Organization Conventions 87 and 98, to which Nigeria is a signatory. They also contend that the amendment contradicts the Trade Union Act, which governs labor relations in the country. In response, the unions have pledged to resist the bill through advocacy, legislative engagement, and public mobilization. They have also announced plans to present an alternative proposal to protect workers' rights and upholds international labor standards. Union Bank of Nigeria has awarded $5 million each to 3 customers as part of the grand finale of the 4th edition of its Save and Win Pali promo. The winners are Abubakar Sadiq Issa, Zaria Branch North, Atilabo Friday, Sapele Branch South, and Olurati Oguluyi, Ilari Branch Southwest. We are selected through an electronically supervised draw monitored by regulatory authorities. The prize presentation took place at Union Bank's head office, Stalin Plaza in Marina, Lagos. Since the inception of the campaign, over 330 million in cash and gift prizes have been distributed to more than 5,000 customers nationwide. The 4th edition of the promo ran from December 2024 to May 2025. Union Bank stated that the initiative is part of its commitment to encourage saving habits, help customers achieve financial goals, and support them through economic challenges. The bank affirmed its continued dedication to financial inclusion and sustainable customer empowerment. The federal government has cautioned project accountants and financial officers managing federally funded projects, especially those financed through external borrowing, to adhere to strict financial discipline and integrity. The warning was issued by the Accountant General of the Federation, Shamsuddin Ogujimi, during the 2025 retreat of the Federal Project Financial Management Department held in Abuja. The Accountant General, represented by the Director of Finance and Accounts, Akwaku Chooks, emphasized that the funds under management are both public and borrowed, requiring careful and responsible stewardship. The retreat brought together internal auditors, donor agencies, and other stakeholders to discuss reforms and best practices in public financial management. The government reiterated its commitment to strengthening financial oversight and ensuring proper use of national resources, especially in an era marked by increasing fiscal scrutiny. And that is the end of our business news bulletin for tonight. I am Esohe Osevegi, reporting for BTV News.